Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. This video continues the discussion of Element 10.2.1, Nonconformity and Corrective Action. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button to stay in touch and be the first to see our latest videos. Some people trip over the same rock so often that they give it a name. When it comes to 9001 root cause analysis and corrective actions, too often, companies dismiss the fact that the same problem keeps coming back again and again. Let's see how we can address this issue. Clause 10.2.1, among other requirements, expects us to determine the root causes of nonconformities. But what is the root cause? ISO 9000:2015. Fundamentals and vocabulary didn't bother defining this key term, so let's Google it. And what does Google say? Root cause, the fundamental reason for the occurrence of a problem. Sounds simple, right? However, in practice, most organizations confuse what happened with why it happened. They stop at symptoms, blame the operator, retrain them, and call it a day. Let's be clear. The operator did not follow the instructions. The procedure didn't include the XYZ requirement, or training wasn't completed, are not reasons for the problems. They're outcomes of a broken process, unclear expectations, or missing safeguards. Countless root cause analysis practices exist, like the 5 whys, fishbone or Ishikawa diagram, Pareto analysis, and fault tree analysis. While these techniques are outside the scope of our video, I want to cover typical pitfalls of any root cause analysis outcome. Remember the wisdom: garbage in, garbage out. That's my experience with root cause analysis in many companies. Surprisingly, I've encountered only a handful of organizations demonstrating meaningful root cause analysis. The rest are stuck in the dark ages. Let's not forget the Dunning-Kruger effect. Too many people find themselves proudly overestimating their ability to analyze root causes. But the reality hits hard when problems persist. They tumble into the valley of despair, realizing they lack the skills to solve them. Root cause analysis is one of the most unintuitive skills, yet companies rarely help their teams climb the slope of enlightenment. The solution? Provide credible training that moves employees beyond false confidence, equipping them to solve problems effectively. In the following video, we'll explore how to apply the 5 why method with real examples to avoid the most common mistakes. Let's summarize what we covered today. Focus on why the problem happened, not just what happened. Root cause analysis is not intuitive. It requires training. Look beyond symptoms like operator error or training incomplete. Stop blaming people. It's usually a process issue. Do not expect good results from bad analysis. This is all for today, folks. Drop a comment below on how you deal with root cause analysis, and I will send you a link to my free ebook. As always, check out the free resources on our website. The link is below. Drop a comment if this helps you rethink your system. If you like this video, please subscribe, repost, and like. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. Thank you, and until next time.